Imagine yourself in this Dodge 2018 Grand Caravan GT. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include transmission, 6-speed automatic 62TE, STD, black leather trim bucket seats, manufacturer's statement of origin, black side roof rails included, integrated roof rail crossbars, engine, 3.6L V6 24VVVT, STD, quick order package 29N included, engine 3.6L V6 24VVVT transmission, 6-speed automatic 62TE, black onyx crystal pearl coat, tires, P225/65 R17 BSW all season, STD, and front-wheel drive. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.